Thrill Seeker 2009 Carnival Series. This is AJ the Thrill Seeker. Welcome to the St. Pius Festival. I don't know about the X. Here on the barrier between Trenton and Dix-Toledo. And this is the Dartron Hurricane. And here it is in action right now. There's lots of screaming on the... Well, the first of the hurricane hasn't started yet. Now it's starting. I forgot to tell you, I'm at a McDonagh carnival, but this hurricane isn't McDonagh, it's Schmidt. Which reminds me, when am I going to see Schmidt? I don't know. But heck, I love this hurricane. Well, looks like that's about it. I can tell.
I'm not part of this, I'm not part of this, I'm not part of this. This is
well, and that's the hurricane for you. If we stop in about 80 seconds now, well, this thing's close. Oh, there it is. Well, this is AJ the Thrill Seeker. All the hurricanes saying, see you next time.